Facilities like there are many clubs where the students can perform well and they enhance their activities. They can participate more. Like we can take an example of JLA also. Here there are so many events day by day. Organizes events. So
Which would help them
also
personality development.
But these kind of events and this kind of club activities are also done in other colleges as well, whether it's private or public. It's about the overall structure the college is maintaining. If they are more focused on academics or the extracurricular activities or other things of students, so that's the matter of that thing.
But in the private colleges, in the private colleges, the students are more smart, more intelligent, more active in the government colleges. I personally
because of the environment they are providing them. Because if the college is providing you such environment that you are coming up with different ideas or just participating in this activity.
One of the peculiar trend that this time people are observing that in private universities, the private universities are more focused on IT sector, more focused towards producing engineers. But in comparison to the government, I am not saying that it is a pro or con. I am just telling about the trend which is going on in the society, which is going on in the market. So that the private universities are more focusing towards the IT sector, more focusing towards and they are not focusing towards other fields like BCom, BA, B Pharma and something like that. So government universities are giving focus to all the sectors of education, not to
Correct. If we'll see, if you are saying that colleges are not focusing on other departments like BA, BCom or MBA or such other departments, so it's not true. It's about the trend which market is needing, which kind of specifications or qualities or which kind of studies which are important in nowadays in market, or which kind of particular qualities which a company is acquiring. So even in our college there is also business analytics, there's a specific specialization data analysis.
This question is very subjective question. It depends on the college as well. Do you want to add something?
I want to add that I agree with the point that private universities are a bit expensive, so everyone cannot afford it. But apart from this, they are also providing good infrastructure, good quality of teachers.
they are charging for their services.
Yes,
The main
they are
issue
charging
is
for
the-
the services, exactly.
Even if we go a restaurant, there are two types of restaurants which are charging for the same kind of dish more than the other.
It's only depend on you if one
It's all about the services they are providing, the quality.
But in my opinion, government and as well as private universities are both expensive. As we can take the example of IIM Ahmedabad. They also charge 25 lakhs.
Government college doesn't only include IIM. There are all other
But
universities.
there are also other universities.
Why they are
Take
comparing?
the example of private universities like Jaipur Institute charge 21 lakh also.
So people
Yeah,
are
but
saying
it's
that fees are competitive because its name, it's very small.
That's why they are charging.
They are doing the PGM course. They are providing PGM course with good placement, and they are not hiring
not
many students. They are hiring only 175 students out of 300. And there is a payment exam criteria like CMAT, CAT. On that basis, the students are going to be selected in this area.
No, sorry. It's maybe you will get selected in CAT by luck, as it's MCQ or objective type question, so it happens sometimes. If you get selected, just suppose you have cleared the exam, you get selected in Jaipuriya and still you didn't get placed. What's the matter of spending 21 lakhs?
The main issue with private universities
It's
that
up to
they
you.
charge